One wrong move, like starting repairs before the insurer's surveyor arrives, can get your motor insurance claim rejected outright. Here is the exact sequence to follow after an accident in India, from the first minute to the final settlement. First, move to a safe location if possible. Then, document the scene. Wide-angle photographs and close-up images of all damage, visible injuries, license plates, and location indicators. Note the time, date, and exact location. If there are witnesses, collect their names and contact details. This evidence supports both your insurance claim and any legal proceedings that follow. For accidents involving injury, death, or significant property damage, filing a first information report at the nearest police station is mandatory. Even for minor accidents, a police report strengthens your claim. Record the details of the vehicle, the driver, and any witnesses in the FIR, and obtain a copy. The insurance company will ask for it during claim processing. Inform your insurance company without delay. Most policies require intimation within 24 hours of the incident, and you can do it through the insurer's app, website, customer helpline, or email. Provide the policy number, the date, time, and location of the accident, a brief description of what happened, and the extent of damage. Late intimation is one of the most common grounds for claim rejection. Do not sit on this step. This is the step that sinks the most claims. After intimation, the insurer sends a surveyor to inspect the damaged vehicle and assess the loss. Do not begin any repairs before the surveyor completes the inspection and approves the repair work. The surveyor estimates repair costs and submits a report to the insurer. And if the estimate crosses a threshold that varies by insurer, a second survey may be conducted. Now choose your settlement route. Under a cashless claim, the insurer settles the repair bill directly with a network garage, and you pay only the deductible and any non-covered amounts. Under a reimbursement claim, you pay the repair costs up front, then submit the bills to the insurer. Cashless is faster with less paperwork, but requires a garage within the insurer's network. Either way, IRDAI mandates that insurers settle motor claims within 30 days of receiving all required documents. If someone else's vehicle injured you, a different track opens. Third-party motor insurance is mandatory under Section 146 of the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988. For injury or death claims, the victim or their family can approach the Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal, the MACT, with details of the accident, the injuries sustained, medical records, and proof of loss of income. The tribunal awards compensation on a structured formula that considers the victim's age, income, nature of injuries, and dependents. Document the scene, file the FIR, notify your insurer within 24 hours, and never touch repairs before the survey is done. For more details, visit our website and subscribe.